Have you ever wondered how those two components are going to fit together? Assembly modeling is essential in product design to ensure your design requirements meet the form, fit, and function of your product. Now, you could use complex file structure relationships using those traditional desktop CAD tools, but we all know how that ends. You will open up an assembly with a bunch of broken mates and missing references. Assembly modeling with Fusion 360 allows users to model with the techniques they are most comfortable with, and it ushers in new assembly modeling techniques that will reduce the amount of time it takes to complete your designs. First, if you worked with contractors or extended teams, you can reference in their design for a bottom-up assembly modeling approach. You can even reference in files from other CAD tools such as Inventor, SOLIDWORKS, STEP, IGES, and so much more. When a design change is made from Fusion or another CAD tool, it will automatically update in Fusion 360. Alternatively, Fusion 360's top-down assembly modeling approach allows you to effectively model components in context of the assembly. You can drive features off of other geometry, which will ensure your components fit together more effectively. Once you are done designing your components, you can start to describe how your components fit and interact in a larger assembly with joints, because components have tight fit, range of motion, hard limits, and relationships with each other. Joints will ensure your designs are assembled together quicker and with less clicks over using those old mates. All this and more in Fusion 360.